Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. This morning we're going to be doing some trout fishing. Later on we're going to be going to a campsite and doing some overnight camping as well. And then we're also going to be doing a review on my first MRE on the channel. In the past I've made some freeze-dried meals made by Mountain House. But today we're going to be doing the real thing, the MRE. So this should be a great episode, guys, so stay tuned. Just got a tiny little spinner tied on here. Looks pretty shallow. It's a small little stream. Actually, let's go down here a little bit. It looks a little deeper down here before we head upstream, maybe. I've never been to this section of the creek. Yeah, this is a deep hole down here. Deeper, I should say. Oh yeah, we got some current going down. There could be some fish here. I'm not even sure if there's trout in here, like I said, in this stream. Oh yeah, this is deep. It's gotta be quiet. Yeah, we got some structure on here. Oh yeah, there's a fish right there. That's a trout too. All right. We followed it. Oh, there's a trout right in front of me here. Literally right in front of me. They're all under this lay down here. Couldn't tell if that was a rainbow or what that was. Maybe a brook trout. There's a ton of small fish right here. I'm trying to see what they are. Are they trout? I just netted one. I mean, it looks like a creek chub. It's got that red spot. In the comments below, let me know what that is. Is that a creek chub? First I thought they were trout because I seen that red. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. In the comments below if you know what they are. Making our way down here to the Tanner Falls. Oh, I've never been here either. Not sure if there's any fish in here. Looks like there's a deep hole though, so maybe. All right, we made it down to the falls here. So these falls are usually roaring. So right now we haven't had much rain here in PA. So these creeks are extremely low. But I'm gonna try a jerkbait right in here. Sure, this is pretty pressured. I'm having a feeling there's not gonna be any trout in this hole. Okay, let's move down, nothing here, no follows. Tried a couple different lures. Alrighty, so nothing down there. As you can see, the bridge is closed. Not sure what's up there. So we're gonna head down this trail. Hopefully we get on the creek down here. So right down here could be a nice spot. Just gotta find a way to get down there. We got a lot of rocks here. Looks like a deep hole over there. Let me go see. Definitely could be some trout down here. Let's try it. Oh. I'm killing myself here. Yo, come on. I want to break my rod. Oh yeah, guys. Best hole yet right here. Oh man, this looks so good. We have some current coming through here. All right. Come on, trout. It's getting windy though. This looks so good. So we made it here at the site. I'm not going to set anything up right now. You're just going to try to do some fishing. But I'll show you right here how close we are to the stream. See how low this creek is right now. Wow. I hope we can get on some fish, guys, today. Yeah, we're going to try right here. There's a hole. And then we're going to head upstream, see how we do there. And then downstream is where I caught most of them last time I was here. So let's get our stuff and get on the water. Alrighty. See if there's any fish. So shallow, guys. And there's a bunch of trucks at this site this morning. I passed it. Assuming they fished this spot, would be my guess. At the end of this tree. Alrighty, so we're back here at camp. Set some of the stuff up. Gonna wait a while to set up the tent. I'm wondering if I should drive to a different section of the creek. That's why I'm holding up on setting up the tent. But we're gonna have some lunch. First time on the channel, we're gonna try an MRE. So we're gonna crack this open and see how it tastes. So let's open this up. All right, so here it is. I got everything in this one pouch. Let me grab the garbage over here. So this is gonna be the first time for me trying these. Many times I've eaten the freeze-dried meals with the ones you just add water to. And like I said, MRE stands for meals that are ready to eat. So you could just open these pouches and just eat them just like that. These MREs do include a heating packet. So your main course, you could actually heat up with just a little bit of water. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's see what's all in here first. All right, first, this is the heating bag. So your main meal, you would just put in this bag, and then you could see up to the fill lines, you'd fill that with water. Usually 10 to 15 minutes. It all depends how cold it is outside. So if you're eating this in the middle of winter, you're gonna wanna give it some more time. First packet right here, this is chili lime hot sauce. This will be for the main entree here. They all come with a spoon or a fork. Then we have French vanilla cappuccino, instant powder. There it is right there. They all have lines, so it's pretty easy. So you're just basically gonna fill this section with water. And then we have some crackers, and then we have some chunky peanut butter. What is this? And then we have some jalapeno cashews. I hear these are pretty good actually. Oh wow. Apple cinnamon flavor, First Strike nutritious energy bar. And then we have like a small little container of applesauce. And then last but not least, the vegetarian taco pasta right here. Open this up. We got a little container of TP. And then here, beverage base raspberry type 3. You're just gonna add this to water and some type of juice, raspberry flavored. 2 pieces of chewing gum. We got some salt and a little towelette. So the first thing I'm gonna do is heat up the cappuccino. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat up some water. So this you could either use hot or cold. I'm gonna drink it hot. So let me heat up some water and we'll give this a shot first. Alrighty, so we're gonna open this up. It's just a little crease here to tear it. Pop this open. It smells pretty good. All right, now we gotta seal it and shake it. They say shake it for like 60 seconds. I wanna make sure it's not gonna leak before I shake it so I don't burn myself. All right, we're gonna just throw it in this pot and drink out of this. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, let's give this a shot. Some cappuccino. Wow, that is good. That's crazy. That's really good. A little sweet. Wow. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get the main entree in the heated sleeve here and give it like 10-15 minutes. And hopefully we don't have to use our stove to heat it up, as long as we do it correctly. So we're gonna throw the vegetarian taco pasta right in here. Fits in there perfectly. So now we're just gonna add water to this. So right there's the water line. And then you're gonna fold this opposite end where your heater pouch is. So just like this, you're gonna fold it just like that. And then you're gonna put it in this piece of cardboard. So I was gonna let that heat up for a little bit. I could already feel the heat coming through this piece of cardboard. Wow, that's crazy. So as we're waiting for that to heat up, let's try the applesauce right here. Wow, that's pretty good. The things I am noticing with these, they are extremely sweet though. A little bit sweeter than for my liking. But I'm telling you, the taste of it tastes just like applesauce. Try some more cappuccino. That is not bad at all. I do know, I've watched some of these MREs on YouTube, and they always complain about the coffee just tasting pretty cheap. But this stuff, cappuccino's legit. All right, let's try the nutritious energy bar here. Looks pretty mushed, but trying to pull the whole thing out. Oh, there you go. There it is right there. I don't know. Very chewy. It says apple cinnamon flavor. Tastes like oatmeal to me. It's not bad though. First bite, it's kind of yeah. But the more you eat it, it's not too bad. One thing I've been wanting to try is these cashews. So you get basically like a handful. Just, I could definitely smell the jalapeno. Yeah, right there's what you get in the bag. You could smell the jalapeno, and I love the taste of jalapeno. Oh yeah. Wow. These are really good. And they're not too hot. They got a little bit of kick. Man, they are good. Honestly. Definitely my favorite part so far is the cashews. So let's try this. This is the crackers. And then we have the chunky peanut butter. Just gonna spread it on the cracker here. It's dry, very dry it seems like. Here's right there, just gonna kind of spread it with the other cracker here. Oh wow, really? Just broke. Let's make like a little sandwich. So I know it says it's chunky peanut butter. It's not really chunky, which is okay. It's more of a smooth peanut butter. And now we're gonna try this. It says added to 20 ounces of water. This is the raspberry drink. We're just gonna add it to a bottle of water, which is just about 17 ounces. Very red. Let's try that. That's good too. It almost tastes like a more like a low sugar or sugar-free raspberry drink. It's good though. I like that. I just took it out of the sleeve. I can't even touch that. That's how warm that is. Wow. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. Extremely hot though. Let's bite here. That was so good. I'm telling you, for the first one, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give that an 8. I enjoyed everything. The main entree was very good. I'm gonna give that a 9. I'm gonna give the cashews a 9. They're probably my second favorite thing. The cappuccino, I'll give that like a 7. It was very good. A little sweet. A little sweeter for my liking. The crackers peanut butter, I'm gonna give them like a 6. It was supposed to be a chunky peanut butter. It was more like a smooth, dry peanut butter, but it wasn't bad. And the energy bar, I'm gonna either give it a 3 or a 4. I'm not a big fan of energy bars. They just don't have, there's just not much to them. It's almost like eating a piece of cardboard. But I'm gonna get cleaned up here and then maybe we'll go on for a little hike. Stay tuned, guys. Alrighty, so we're gonna go for a little hike. There's a couple sheep up here, right on the farm. I'm gonna see if they wanna be on YouTube. If not, there's I think there's a couple trails around here. Maybe we'll go check out. Want to wait, right now it's around 2 o'clock. I want to wait a while, do some more fishing. I'm gonna go out probably right before the sun goes down, maybe. I did bring a trout just in case I didn't catch anything. So if I don't catch any fish, I'm still gonna have some later on. Check them out, see if they'll come up to us. Bah. Is that how you call sheep? I'm a city slicker. Bah. Yeah, they're looking at me kind of funny. A bunch right here. And here, there's a little baby far down that way. I don't know. We'll walk around. Maybe they'll be a little curious and want to check me out. This is a nice piece of property here, though. Yeah, so their house is like right up there. They own all this property way back, I forget. Tell me how many acres, I can't quite remember. And then like I said, all this farmland. And then I'll show you where I am actually. So here's their driveway. You kind of just drive down here. And there's my truck. There's my truck way down there. This is one of the holes I was trying to fish. Now last time, there is a deep hole right in here. But today I didn't get any bites. The guy said there are still fish in here. Whew. Like a little cabin or something up here. Let's check it out. It's like a little cabin. That's pretty neat. I don't know if you can see in there. Got a sink, bed frame. Very cool. That is neat. Cedar wood. No, what is that? Oak? I'm not sure what that is. Little pooper. Little pooper. Oh. Old chicken coop here. I don't think there's any chickens in it. No, I'm not seeing anything. Whole garden over here he's got set up. Oh, raspberries. I don't think they're ready yet. Right here. Another chicken coop. Oh, look at that. He's got like a pavilion down there. That's on his property over on the other side of this fence. That's where his house is, behind these trees here. There's an old coop. See if there's anything on the other side over here. Let's try the sheep one more time. They're on this side of the fence right now. There they are. Oh, people are running. Hey guys. They don't want any part of me. Alrighty, back to camp. See you guys. Alright, we're just about back to camp. I'm gonna get a quick fire going. We'll cook up that trout, sweet potatoes, and then we have some rice as well. Alright, so we're going to start with these sweet potatoes. A couple holes in them, and then we're going to just wrap them with tin foil and then throw them on the fire. They shouldn't take too long, maybe a half hour or so. But right now we're going to get the fish prepared. So this is going to be pretty quick and easy. Get a piece of tin foil out first. So this is a trout I caught, I don't know, probably back in the springtime. That's what we're gonna have since we didn't catch any. show you what we're gonna do. This is actually still a little frozen. It's fine though. Couple incisions here. Like I said, this is already gutted, of course. There we go, there's the trout. Small pieces we're gonna use. We're gonna put some in the fish, and then we're gonna lay some of this on top. That's the spice we're gonna use. This is garlic and onion, black pepper and sea salt. This is actually really good. I usually put these on burgers, this spice. I'll just put it all over it. Next we're gonna stick some onion inside. And of course some on top. You can never have too much onion. And some butter right on top, just like that. Then we're just gonna wrap it up. Let's see what this fish looks like. Oh, it smells good, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it's done. Look at that. How good does that look? Just throw a couple slabs of butter on that. And then some rice. Eating in the dark here. Let's try the rice first. That's actually the boil in the bag rice. It's pretty good. Try some trout. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Look at the smoke and then the steam off the fish. Wow. Getting smoked out here now. That is so good. And spice is very mild. Like I said, it's onion, garlic, salt, pepper. Really good though. Let's try the sweet potato. I love sweet potatoes. Especially over a fire. Phenomenal. Look at that. How could you beat that? Wow. It's hot. So the plan is tomorrow I'm gonna wake up. Probably gonna fish the creek if it's not raining. It's supposed to get some rain tomorrow. I'm just not sure what time it's gonna start. I don't know, this is the first video I've ever posted. I didn't catch a fish. It's kind of weird. It just didn't work out. It's kind of more of an outdoorsy hiking and reviewing the MRE as well. But like I said, we're gonna relax for a while and we'll see you in the morning. Well, that's gonna do it. We got everything packed up. Rain for pretty much the whole night. It's kind of a miserable night. But I got out here doing what I love to do. Been in the outdoors. Didn't catch any fish, but I tried. I tried like heck. But like always, guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and maybe think about subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you and have a great day.